The VTL-4000 heavy-duty vertical turning lathe from EOG provides you with all of the massive torque, rigidity and cutting flexibility to carry out the very toughest milling and drilling on very large and asymmetrical workpieces. The meehanite cast iron frame and boxways are heat treated and stress relieved, providing the superb rigidity and vibration resistance you need in a machine of this size. The heavily ribbed box structure frame absorbs vibrations and avoids thermal expansion issues that could affect workpiece accuracy and surface finish. Class 3 ball screws coupled with direct drive FANUC servos provide the movement precision that you demand. X and Z axis sliding surfaces are hand scraped and Tersite B coated for perfect alignment and lubrication retention. Motion support is provided by heavy-duty cross-roller bearings to absorb the massive torque and cutting forces generated by this machine. The massive cross rail is supported by the box section column and provides height flexibility whilst maintaining positional accuracy through 4 massive hydraulic clamps which engage to lock the vertical position during machining. The massive work table on the VTL-4000 features a precision ground geared table drive system for very high torque output, for super heavy heat transfer and excellent rigidity and stability. The VTL-4000 is equipped with high-spec FANUC spindle motors linked to a German ZF dual-speed gearbox, effortlessly delivering the tremendous torque required for heavy cutting. A second optional spindle with work gear control provides the flexibility of CF axis milling and drilling. The VTL-4000 series of super heavy-duty vertical turning lathes from Yoji provide you with key productivity benefits in your operation. With all of these features, the huge number of customizations, and the Yoji reputation for reliability, the VTL-4000 series delivers great value for heavy cutting in standalone or production line applications in your operation.